Good morning, guys. It's 8-2. What's up, you guys? It's GoDogs41. What you guys been up to? Anything for flesh? Anything exciting? Well, right now, you guys, I'm just relaxing. I'm super tired. Sometimes I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I always plan every day by the day. Right now, I'm just updating my PlayStation. So that's what I'm doing. So it's just updating. I still don't know what games I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna check the mail. That's what I should do. Because it gives me something to do while I'm waiting for the updates. So I'll talk to you guys when we get the mail.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
So there's no mail, so right now, you guys, I'm gonna make some egg McMuffins, you guys. Yes, I'm gonna make some egg McMuffins right now, you guys. That's what the plan is. Because then I don't get tired, don't get sleepy. I need some breakfast on me a little bit. So that's what we're gonna do. And then I don't know what I'm gonna do for now. What we're gonna do. So I'll talk to you guys when we are making egg McMuffins. Actually, they are gonna be a little bit different than egg McMuffins. I'm gonna put gonna cut the English muffin in half and then put scrambled eggs on top of it and then put cheese on top. It's good like that, you guys. Yeah. And then I'm gonna put it in the oven for a few seconds. So that's what I'm doing. Now, it's time to put in the oven for a few minutes, you guys. Yes, not that long, till the cheese melts, you guys. Yes, till the cheese melts. See, this is the finished touch, you guys, until you put them in the oven, and then it's so good afterwards. So there's the finished touch, you guys. Melted the cheese, and then the scrambled eggs, and then it's so good, you guys. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, I'm just getting ready for work, so I'll talk to you guys when I am at work, so I'll talk to you guys then. So right now, you guys, we are just heading into work, so I'll talk to you guys when we go into work. So I just got done work, so I'm just heading home, so I'll talk to you guys what we are going to be doing tonight. I don't know what we're going to do. It's supposed to be Canada Day, but it doesn't feel like Canada because we haven't got fireworks set out, so, I don't know. Maybe there's going to be fireworks. I do not know. I can't really say for sure, but happy Canada Day, by the way, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home. So I just got home and I saw some fireworks when I was gone. I'm just cooking some pizza, you guys, like miniature pizzas, you guys. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we are just gonna eat the pizzas. So I'll talk to you guys then. So I hope you guys enjoy this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow. It's alright, David. Goodbye.